Hello everyone. Welcome to MGProGrammers. Learn English in a simple way. Today, we will understand time in English. Something already finished, something happening now or every day. Something will happen later. Just listen. Eat. I ate food. I eat food. I will eat food. Go. I went to work. I go to work. I will go to work. Drink. I drank water. I drink water. I will drink water. Study. I studied English. I study English. I will study English. Watch. I watched TV. I watch TV. I will watch TV. Sleep. I slept early. I sleep early. I will sleep early. Read. I read a book. I read a book. I will read a book. Work. I worked in an office. I work in an office. I will work in an office. Play. I played cricket. I play cricket. I will play cricket. Meet. I met my friend. I meet my friend. I will meet my friend. Buy. I bought vegetables. I buy vegetables. I will buy vegetables. Cook. I cooked food. I cook food. I will cook food. Write. I wrote a message. I write a message. I will write a message. Drive. I drove a car. I drive a car. I will drive a car. Walk. I walked daily. I walk daily. I will walk daily. Run. I ran in the park. I run in the park. I will run in the park. Talk. I talked to you. I talked to you. I will talk to you. Listen. I listened to music. I listened to music. I will listen to music. Open. I opened the door. I open the door. I will open the door. Close. I closed the door. I closed the door. I will close the door. Start. I started work. I start work. I will start work. Finish. I finished work. I finish work. I will finish work. Teach. I taught students. I teach students. I will teach students. Learn. I learned English. I learn English. I will learn English. Help. I helped my friend. I help my friend. I will help my friend. Call. I called my mother. I called my mother. I will call my mother. Send. I sent a message. I sent a message. I will send a message. Receive. I received a call. I received a call. I will receive a call. Visit. I visited my village. I visit my village. I will visit my village. Clean. I cleaned my room. I clean my room. I will clean my room. That's all for today. Listen. Repeat. English becomes easy.